the abductions, the illegal arrests, but above all, the fact that our President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, his life is actually in danger. Right now, I specifically want to thank the people of Kampala for entrusting me with this mandate, and I promise not to disappoint. The biggest task that I'm going to handle is, first of all, to ensure that we defend our victory at the presidential level, because I know and I'm sure that the people of Kampala and Uganda did vote and have voted for Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. I'm going to embark bailing out our political prisoners, our comrades, together with our other team of legal officers at NUP. But I'm going to put the issues of the people of Kampala and Uganda at the forefront, especially issues touching women, the business community. Currently, you have all witnessed the irregularities, the rigging, but we shall not get tired. We are going to keep pushing until justice is served, until we are all free as Ugandans. The most important thing currently is to ask ourselves, how is our President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu faring currently? Because the last information we got is that his home had been broken into by some military personnel. And what is the stake, or what is going on in the life of other persons or Ugandans that are supporting change? Because we have also seen and heard there homes are being broken into and people are being taken everywhere and gunshots are everywhere. These are the injustices that we are fighting as the National Unity Platform.
And the fellow countrymen who are watching us on the various TV mediums, today or this morning, would like to release further provisional results of the presidential elections as we stand at this hour. The total number of registered voters remain 21,649,067. The total number of polling stations are 50,739. As we talk now, the total number of police stations from which we have obtained the results are 47,499, representing 93.61% of the total number of polling stations across the country. The performance per candidate is as follows. Bulira Frank Kabinga, 44,328, representing 0.42% of the valid votes cast for the candidates. Kasivante Robert, 32,224, representing 0.30% of the valid votes cast. Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert, 2,601,150. Mabirizi Joseph, 22,274, representing 0.21%. Sorry, in the case of Kyagulanyi, I beg your pardon, that tally represents 24.46%. 24.46% for Kyagulanyi, who has 2,601,150. Mugisha Gregory Muntu Oyera 57,019, that is 57,019, representing 0.454 of the valid votes cast. Munyagwa Mubarak Serunga 30,509 votes, representing 0.29% of the valid votes cast. Nandala Mafabi James Nathan 202,802, representing 1.91% of the valid votes cast for the candidates. Yoweri to Haburwa Kaguta Museveni 7,643,778 votes, representing 71.88% of the valid votes cast. The valid votes in total for all the candidates are 10,634,084. Invalid votes 264,015, 264,015, representing 2.42% of the total votes cast. The total votes altogether 10,898,099, representing 50.34% of registered voters. Spoiled votes 38,223. This is the current update, and as we have been doing, I'm going to ask our technical people to relay the breakdown of the summary I've been reading on our screens for the benefit of our participants, so that you analyze and appreciate where the results I've been reading have been tabulated from or have come from.